Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how we can operate Excel using AI. So sometimes we need to standardize, do a cleanup in our Excel, and we spend hours doing that. So in this video I'm going to tell you how we can utilize AI to do these operations which can do the job in the fraction of second. So for the setup you require Excel, of course, since we are dealing with Excel, and we can utilize ChatGPT. You can use other LLMs as well as per your need, but I'm going to use ChatGPT in this example. So to access ChatGPT you can go to this chatgpt.com URL, or you can just type ChatGPT on Google. It will take you to the ChatGPT screen. So once you land on this, so you can click on login, and it will ask you to log in using your user ID. So if you haven't signed up, you can click on login, and it will just ask you few things like continue with Google, continue with Apple, any other thing. So commonly people use continue with Google, and within just seconds you would be able to log into the ChatGPT application. And in this video we are going to write all the prompts which are required in as per our Excel needs. So I'm going to share that details in the upcoming examples that I'm going to demonstrate. So without wasting any time, let's start with the actual video. So this is our first example where we are going to standardize the date into certain format. So this is how our raw data looks like. We have multiple type of raw data sets, and we have to convert it into the standardized format. So what I will do, I will just copy this and I will go to this chatgpt.com, and here I will just give some context to it. So I will mention as convert this Excel column data into standardized format, and I can mention DDMMYY format, and I will go to next line. How to go to next line? Shift enter, and here I will paste my data, and just see, this is how the standardized data looks like. Now I will mention give me standardize. I will copy the spelling from here, column data, to copy in Excel friendly format. So here I am talking to ChatGPT in a human manner so that it understands me. So from there I clicked on this copy code, and now I will go here and paste the data. So now we can see the date is in standardized format. So here the actual date was 3 Feb 25. So here 3 is the date, 2 is the month, and the year also we have. So this is how we can convert a raw date into the standardized format. Now in this example we are going to do category cleanup for this table. So this table has 3 columns as of now: customer ID, raw smoker value, and cleaned smoker value. And if you pay close attention to this raw smoker value, so here we have multiple values like yes, no, yn, capital YN, and we have this number of data. So here what I want to create one formula which can automatically converts them into the consistent categories. Okay, so here first what I will do, I will copy this and I will ask ChatGPT to give me the unique values. Give me unique values, and I will shift enter and I will paste the data. Okay, it has given me directly the unique values, but what I was expecting is I wanted capital Y, small y, all those things as well. So sometimes it can happen that ChatGPT cannot understand your context fully. So there we can give the example of few short prompting. So here what I will say, give me formula for Excel which can convert y, small y, yes, capital yes to yes. I will mention few more things, shift enter. Similarly, n, no, to no, and last is convert unk or unknown to unknown. And I will just mention one more thing, the cell number. My data starts from B2. My data starts from B2. So let's see what formula it gives to me. So here ChatGPT has given me this formula, so I will just copy it. So here some of the things, okay, so here it is already doing the things which I wanted, which is to converting them into the a common format like in lowercase, and then it is comparing, and then it is giving me the value. So here I will just copy this and I will paste it over here, and once I paste this I will hit enter. And here if you go to this cell, those who use Excel already know, from here we can drag this formula. So here I will drag this up to here, and you can see now we have the consistent value of smoker, which is capital AS, no, and only these three values are there. So this way you can clean up your code using ChatGPT. So here we took help from ChatGPT to give us the formula. Now in this example, these are some of the links that we have as if data, and we want to extract the title from the links. So here, from here you can see from example.com/about us. So about us is the title we want to extract. So how we can do it? So first, just like my previous example, you need to copy the data. You can go to ChatGPT, and here you can ask, give me extract title from the given data. So let's see whether it is able to do it or not. So here it has given me, so let's just verify about us is about us, and it has automatically removed the hyphen as well and given me data in the title case, which is what I just wanted. So here I will just say give me extracted title to copy into Excel. And from here I will just copy this code. Again I will go back to my sheet and here I will paste it. So now in just few seconds we have extracted the title from the links, right? So we can manually verify as well. So it's our duty to verify just few examples so that we are confident about the process. So from here we can understand blog is blog, FAQ is FAQ, solution is solution. So I think ChatGPT has done the work well. So this is how we can extract the titles or anything from the URL. So one limitation can be it cannot extract the data which is directly inside the link. So that can be some of the limitations of ChatGPT at the moment, but the parameters that we have in URL we can extract it. In this example we are going to extract the invoice number and extract amount from the invoice text that we have. So this is common use case where we have few serial numbers or model numbers that are separated by hyphens, comma, semicolon, and we have to extract. So that is a common use case in Excel. So how we can do that? So here we can clearly see some pattern that my invoice number, date, and the extract amount is actually separated by this hyphen. So we can ask ChatGPT to give us some formula which can be applied to this, and we will get our extracted invoice number and amount. So here what I will do, I will take this as example, no need to copy everything, and then here we can mention give me formula to extract invoice number and amount, and we can use the few shots prompting. So I will just give example. This is the invoice number, then invoice number is and amount is this. So this is called as few shot prompting, where we need to give some example to the LLMs so that they can understand our problem statement. And here we can also mention data starts from which cell. So here we can go, and it is A and A2, so that while giving me it will give me the proper formula. So let's see. So here it has given me two formulas, one is for invoice number and another is for extract amount. So this is complex problem as compared to our previous example. So here I will copy this and let's just see what I get. So I get 1011. That's correct. So I will drag this till the end, and here I will get my invoice number. Now there is one more formula that it has given me, is this amount. So I will copy this and I will paste this over here. It has automatically detected our B2, and I will click outside, and from here I will drag till the end, and here we have our amount as well. So this is how you can parse any text into the desired format if it has some pattern. Okay, so first is we need to check what kind of pattern does it have, and according to that we can give instruction to the LLMs. So here in this example, this is common use case where we get multiple responses from our customer and we are not sure whether to follow up or not, because when our responses are more, so it is very hectic to go one by one and decide whom should be followed up. So here I will just rename this to follow up required. Okay, so one way is you can go one by one and add the follow up required yes or not. Other way would be just copy this thing. You can copy this thing and we can go to ChatGPT and we can mention analyze and let me know follow up is required or not, and we can paste our data. So again shift enter, and let's just see within first instruction itself if it's able to understand or not. Okay, so here we have got the message, follow up required, and reason as well. So what we can do, we can ask give me follow up required column data to copy. And here we can copy this and we can paste it. So here in just few seconds we learned how we can check whether the follow-up required is not. Additionally, if you want this column as well of reason, then you can copy the reason as well. So also give me reason to copy. Okay, so instead of reading that entire comment, you can just paste the reason over here, and at one glance you will be able to check why the follow-up is required. So let's just say anyone, this one, waiting for manager approval. So the follow-up is required. Yes, we need the follow-up in this case, and here we can see the reason as well, pending approval. Let's just say anything, all set on our end. So I think the follow-up is not required. So here it is no, and the reason is no follow-up required. So this is how you need to test your things as well. Once you just copy the things from the ChatGPT or Google Gemini anywhere, this is your duty to validate the data as well. So this is our last table where we have username, raw country, and cleaned country name. So here I'm not going to do any cleanup or standardization. You just look at this Excel and let me know what strategy can be applied, how effectively you can convert this raw country into clean country. What approach do you use? So this is kind of exercise for you. It's very simple one. So if you have just seen my video, my first, second, third example, so you would be able to do this on your own. And if you have to create this excels as well, so you can ask ChatGPT to create excel for you, which can have this example. So for that also you can use ChatGPT. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I know it is super useful who deal with the